Hey there, this is Dan from AMS, and today we'll speak on the topic of how to get your app funded by venture capital. There is a trailblazer in each one of us. Some are more powerful than others, some are more courageous or creative or consistent. While many aspects differentiate innovators, there is one thing they all need: funding. The app development market boasts of some impressive talents. These developers, however, depend on funding and investments to maximize their potential. If you are one such developer looking to find funds from venture capital firms, then here are some tips to get started. Number 1. Focus on your app's utility. In this booming mobile app market, there is an app for almost everything. If you are looking to impress the investors, then you should emphasize the values that your app fulfills. What is the niche that it serves? What is its utility? What problems does it solve? How is it different from and better than the competitors? Give your investors reasons to justify your app's potential. This will build their confidence to fund the development. Number 2. Create a revenue model. Investors want returns. No matter how groundbreaking your app concept is, it does not matter until you have established a roadmap to generate profits. Creating a revenue model as early as possible is the best plan of attack. Why? It is because the investors will get insights into your budgetary expenses and projected incomes. This way, they can make a more informed decision about extending funds. Number 3. Make an MVP. A working prototype of your app is the key to impress the investors. A live show of your app's functioning works better than any pitch. It is a great opportunity to create an impression of your application. Building an MVP allows you to better understand the work pipeline and the time frame for completing the development process. Number 4. Elevator pitch and pitch deck. The most important part of seeking funds from VC firms is pitching. Even if you ignore the other steps, this one should not go wrong. There are 2 great ways to develop a pitch. First is an elevator pitch, a concise, crisp, and creative description of your application. Your objective is to hook the investor first and then elaborate further. Then comes a pitch deck like the ones shown on Shark Tank. This is a more detailed and specific presentation of your app's concept. Make it as graphic as you can without fluffing too much text. Without funding, your dream idea can go waste. Use these tips to win over some venture capital investors and watch your app scale greater heights. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to shoot me a message if you have any questions or an app concept on your mind, and subscribe to our LinkedIn page and YouTube channel for more content on the topic. See you in the next video.